Jai Sriman Narayana. Welcome to the Jet Satvic Food Channel. Today we'll be making a chocolate cake. As you know, chocolate isn't Satvic, so we're going to use an alternative called Carob powder. You can find this powder in your local supermarkets. It has many benefits like high nutrition, low fat and sugar, and doesn't have caffeine. Now we're going to introduce our ingredients to make this delicious cake. We need 2 cups of flour,
2 cups of raw sugar,
1 cup of Carob powder,
2 teaspoons of baking soda.
We also need 2 cups of milk and 3 sticks of butter, which is also 1.5 cups. We're going to mix all our dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl with the flour. First, we're going to add our baking soda. Then we will add our Carob powder.
We're going to mix our ingredients.
We're going to use a spatula. We are finished mixing our mixture. Now we'll move on to our wet ingredients. Now we're going to mix our wet ingredients. First, we're going to add our butter. Then we're going to beat our butter with a hand mixer. I have finished beating my butter. Then you want to add your sugar. Then you want to beat your mixture again. I have finished beating the sugar with the butter. Now we're gonna add the 2 cups of milk. And we're gonna beat this mixture. I have finished beating all the wet ingredients together. Then we're gonna add our dry ingredients. Then we're gonna beat this mixture. Now I'm finished beating our mixture for our cake. I'm gonna grease my cake pan. I finished greasing my cake pan with butter. Now all you have to do is add the batter. Now I have added my batter to my cake pan. Now it's time to keep your cake pan in the oven. You should preheat your oven for about 350 degrees and keep it in there for about 40 minutes. Now I have taken the cake out of the oven and this is how it looks.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you try out this new recipe at home. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye, Jason. Keep watching.